Hello, it's Fei. Today we're gonna make the jumbo blueberry muffins. This recipe we can make 6 jumbo blueberry muffins. Preparation time will be around 15 minutes and cook time will be 30 minutes. The equipment we need is oven, whisk, bowl, weight scale, measuring spoon, spatula, ladle, muffin pan, and baking paper. First, we need to preheat the oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Because my oven is not a convection oven, so I set my oven 10 degrees higher to 435 Fahrenheit. Then we need to prepare all our dry ingredients. Is the 375 gram all-purpose flour, 3 teaspoons baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, half teaspoon salt, and 200 gram granulated sugar. And mix all the dry ingredients properly, then set aside. Then we need to whisk all our wet ingredients all together. It's 80 gram melted butter, 74 gram vegetable oil, 2 eggs, 80 grams yogurt, 240 gram milk, and half teaspoon of vanilla extract, and half teaspoon of almond extract. Then mix them together properly. Then pour wet ingredients into dry ingredients and fold together with the spatula until completely combined. Avoid overmixing. Then we can fold in the blueberries. Divide batter between each muffin cups. Then bake at 435 Fahrenheit for 6 minutes. Then reduce the oven temperature to 350 Fahrenheit. And as I say, because my oven is not convection oven, so I set my temperature 10 degrees higher as well, and continue to bake for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, we can take it out and check inside if it's done or not. And we'll check the temperature as well. Allow it to cool for 10 minutes in pan before serving. Then we can cut it half, check inside there is no tunneling. It means we didn't overmixing our batter.